I used AI to create a logo. Name and website in 10 minutes? I gave myself a challenge. Create an entire brand from scratch using only free AI tools. In 10 minutes. Business name, logo, and a working website, all done by AI. Here's exactly what I used. Step 1. ChatGPT. I asked, give me 5 unique brand names for a tech blog that sounds modern and trustworthy. It returned names with meanings, domain ideas, and even tagline suggestions. I picked one that felt right. Step 2. LogoAI.com. I typed the name into logo.com, selected the industry, and it instantly created over 30 logo designs. I customized the font, colors, and layout in under 3 minutes. It looked like something a real designer made. This is where it got fun. Durable asked me for my brand name and a short description like, a blog that simplifies emerging tech with AI insights. In 30 seconds, it generated a live website, complete with hero section, images, text, and a call to action, even mobile ready. That's how I built a complete brand using just AI. Follow AIShortlist for more real-world AI workflows that save you time and money.